Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the micro oven. So the actual cost of this one is 10,000. See the micro oven. So the company I think is Daewoo company. So this is the adjustment knob, power, and this is the timer knob, and this is the switch on the button. So let us keep it that side. See, this is the cable. See, this is the knob. So to open it like this, see, inside this, so you will get one plate, and this is the put it like this, and this is the micro oven. So it's a good company, the quality and everything is good. And timer, here timer setting is also there, and seat setting 2 balls, 3 balls or high. This is the flame heat. So this is slowly sim and some more, and this is some more. This is the highest flame to heat the thing. Here the timer is set. You can set it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, or so based on that I'll provide it. This is the micro oven. So see it all sides, back side. So this is this side, like this. See, it will operate in Daewoo company. Daewoo core 240 volts 50 Hz. Micro input power is 1000 watts, and micro energy output is 700 watts. So serial number and everything have given. So this is the micro oven. If you want to buy it, please buy it. Thank you for watching my channel. Like this I will unbox lot more videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.